Hello everyone, it's the Bitcoin Governor, and before I begin with the topic for today, I want to look at CoinMarketCap. We can see that everything is in the red. Well, not exactly everything. If we press on the change 24 hours, we'll see that 6 coins here have managed to hold themselves. Interesting, BitConnect is still holding on strong, so this is great for you guys who are BitConnect investors. And we have here the SIB coin sitting at 27.7% gain, which is a fork of Dash that has apparently had its encryption enhanced by a group of Russian cryptographic developers, as you can see here on their website. The majority of the information is in Russian, which is not that helpful for us, but they do have a translation module here on their page, if anyone has the time to look into that. Okay, clicking on the 24 again, we get the losers of the day, and as you can see, it's not that much of a loss. You know, with the cryptocurrency market, it's easy to see swings up to 100% in a day. There are quite a few in the minus 20 range, but none of the top 20 coins are in this range today. Now, there are different ways to approach the market when it is in the red. I created a video on this called Crypto in the Red, and you can see it in the card above. Click on that if you really want some in-depth information on how to deal with a market in this state. Anyway, that was a large diversion in what I was going to talk about today. That was, I think I created my own fork, my user-activated fork. So we're going to get back onto topic again, and the topic today is Bitcoin. And for those of you with Bitcoin, the majority will realize that August the 1st is set for a UASF, which stands for User Activated Soft Fork. This fork, BIP-148, which stands for Bitcoin Improvement Proposal 148, will specifically reject any Bitcoin blocks that do not signal support for segregated witness, or SegWit, which has just been implemented on the Litecoin blockchain. So what you'll see is if the majority of the miners actually don't support SegWit through our BIP-148, then you'll see after the August the 1st that the blockchain will actually split into two. So if you have Bitcoin, your Bitcoin tokens will essentially be on both the legacy BTC coin and the 148 BTC coin. I don't know what they're going to call them. That sounds great for most people, the idea, oh wow, I'm going to get 2 coins for the price of 1. And we recently had that with Z Classic, which I was a part of, and I managed to start with 1 Z Classic, and that got split to a Z Classic and the Zen coin. It was successful, but it did cause a lot of volatility between Z Classic and Zen. We had Z Classic shooting in price and then falling exponentially after the split, and then you had Zen exponentially rising in price, I think to almost $11 to $12, falling again down to where it's sitting at about $3 or so. So you can see there's a lot of volatility when going through a chain split, and we can expect exactly the same thing with Bitcoin. Now, as to the viability of Bitcoin, well, we already know it's top of the market cap. Bitcoin has the least risk of failing compared to all the other cryptocurrencies. It is considered the store of value amongst all others. You have Ethereum that's considered more the global computer, but Bitcoin is the store of value. And with, for example, Japan saying here that it is now a legal payment method, you have regulation in place now. Regulation is extremely important. And not only that, you have a huge infrastructure built behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not going to go away. And so therefore, what I see is a lot of volatility, but I do see Bitcoin coming out at the end very well. It may have to wipe off the blood a little bit and clear up the wounds, but Bitcoin is going to come out on top, whichever way it does go. Now, in a later video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Bitcoin during this volatility stage, which is coming up very soon. So please keep that in mind. Keep an eye out on my channel, and I'll give you the best information that I can so that you can secure your Bitcoin. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for your comments and questions. I really appreciate it. Bitcoin Governor out.